Phase 1 of the clinical trial for a COVID vaccine by Pfizer started in May at the University of Maryland School of Medicine. David Ruck was the first volunteer to roll up his sleeve.
The nurses and doctors at the hospital looked visibly overwhelmed. A lot of people were dying, and as a young and relatively healthy individual, anything that I could do to help get us out of this mess was something that I was interested in doing.
6 months later, the early results show that vaccine, now in phase 3 trials, is 90% effective at preventing infection, with few safety concerns. Dr. Kathy Newsel, director of the School of Medicine Center for Vaccine Development, calls the results remarkable.
Especially now with the rate that cases are accumulating, hospitals filling up, people dying, this could have an immediate effect on this pandemic.
But she stresses these are early results. It will be a few weeks before Pfizer can even apply to the FDA for emergency use, and there are still some unknowns: long-term side effects, how long the vaccine will protect you, or details about those who became infected even after getting the vaccine.
How many of these cases were mild? How many of these cases were severe? Did these cases occur all in young people? Do we know how the vaccine works in older people or people with underlying conditions?
If approved, Pfizer could start producing doses by the end of the year, but still a ways off from widespread general distribution. Seeing these results, David Ruck says it was worth it.
I'm proud of my work and my contribution as part of the volunteer in the trial, but I'm prouder in the moment for everybody else that's helped get us to here.
The School of Medicine is also involved in the phase 3 trial on a vaccine by Moderna. They hope to have early results on that by the end of the year. Reporting live downtown, Kim Dacey, WBAL TV 11 News.